Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today for you, got a roll up drying rack. Alright, let's talk about this real quick. So, at home, I needed something that I could put by the sink or next to it. I have a drying rack for dishes, utensils, forks, knives, etc. You understand what I'm talking about. But I needed something different to hold the sponge while it's wet or dry off, or maybe just one glass if I use it or whatever if it's dripping. But I wanted to find something that was a little bit more subtle. Just something to put either over the whole sink or over the edge, and I just happened to find a corner one. This does roll up. Let me rip this out of the package real quick and we'll get a better look at it. Just came in this plastic wrapped cardboard there, but as you can see, it's flimsy because you can roll it up and pack it away. What's also good about this, yes, it's a triangle, so it's going to go in the corner of the sink, and it doesn't have to stay this big. This side here, what these bars are in, the bars actually can come out. I'm not going to do it here, but these side rubber pieces, they come off and you could trim the bars, or you could trim off, say if you corner your sink, it takes up too much room, you wanted to remove 4 bars, you could literally just cut in between and trim it, the rubber, and take off the 4 bars, and now you'll be here. So this is going to work out perfect. I can't wait to get this home. Possibly going to trim it so it doesn't take up too much room, but I just needed just enough room for the sponge, because the thing that, suction cups to the side of the sink, after a while it just doesn't work. It falls, it slides down, you hear the bang, whatever. So I'd rather put the sponge on top of this, let it dry, and there we go. I could roll this up, or I could just leave it there depending on how it looks after I cut it. But that's why I picked this up. It's real cheap on Amazon. It was about, I don't know, $6, $7, something like that when I picked it up. But there's all sorts of kinds. There's different colors. You could have one with, the black edge, rubber edge with like chrome looking bars or whatever. But not too bad. I'm probably going to get another one of these. I think I have it saved for my sink that I have in my hangout room here. But if I do that, I'll definitely jump on and show it to you, talk about it. But yeah, this corner sink drying rack, as it's called, foldable, rollable, whatever. That's all I wanted to show you today. If you like this video, hit that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. It'll alert you every time there's something new coming out. Take care.